Words and sounds with Zanee. Baby.
Baby.
Diaper. Duck. Duck, 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 duck.
So this is a real thing, right? You know,
Cow.
probably looked at us like we're crazy. So then bringing this back up with what
Monkey.
happened. Now, by the way, this went all over YouTube. Everybody covered it. And it was
Horse.
really weird that everybody, all of a sudden,
Nay.
triggered everybody. And that's because
What about the elephant?
300,000. And when I made that original video, everybody was commenting.
Elephant.
I saw it. It was the scariest thing ever. Basically, the guy
What else do you
gets pulled out
know?
of frame and the camera goes
Can
dark.
you do the wagon?
So he was in the middle of basically
And the
saying
wheels.
that they know about this, it's going to destroy the moon, blah, blah, blah.
That's right.
He was
Apple.
sweating, and then the picture goes dark, and then
Good
hustling,
job.
and then it goes and it cuts out.
What other sounds do you want to say?
And then, boom, YouTube.
What would you like to tell everybody out there?
So everybody made
Yeah.
videos about this back then.
Would you like to say anything?
You can just look up YouTube shutdown.
Whatever you want to say.
And basically you'll find all the videos. I believe, so I was the first person to post on that.
You know how to talk on the phone?
I got a tip from 2 different emails, and I was like, hey, hold on a second.
What about
I clicked it, and
giggle?
the video was unavailable.
Gigi.
I reported on it, and I reported on
Gigu.
it during the outage. So I recorded the video and then put
Say
it out.
hi.
That video is
Say
actually
hi, Oma.
got 325,000 views.
Yeah.
It is called YouTube Shut Down to Quarantine the Moon, which I
Good
believe
boy.
was one of 3 videos that I did regarding the subject. One
You say
was
pizza?
watched worldwide. It's the only video that
Yes,
I've
you
ever
know
had,
pizza.
to this day that has been watched
And that's it.
worldwide.
That's what I've been working on.
In that video, I went deeper into the Snowden files
Say,
and
see you. All done.
the moon subject.
Oh, wow.
Kind of weird,
Yeah,
right?
all done, baby.
So this was a great plan, this, all that. Well,
Baby.
check this out. With
Who's the
everything
baby?
going on right now, we have several countries going to the moon.
I'm
And
the
all
baby.
Papa,
That's right.
baby.
This is